Am I recording? Okay, I'm recording. So let's give this another try, shall we? Got the intro. Hey guys, this is Roper here, and playing Mini Militia, uh, Mini Militia, Mega. This isn't like the original. We play Pop-Up Ad later, later, later. Me for leaving before the match even ended. I expected a lot of people to have what I have. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't leave the lobby. No plants, no plants, no plants, no plants. Shh. Pa? Well, the worst of things happened. The electricity in my area just went off. So I had to stop the recording there. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to delay it until tomorrow. Watch as I walk.
Bayadidiyela mina ngididiyelani baby ungayibhekisi kimi ibuhlungu lento
Well, this is kind of annoying. The electricity went back on, but I think it's gonna switch off soon. So let me not get my hopes up. Let me not get my hopes high. So here's a creepy dude walking around, trying to fall, and my battery's going down low, and I need to flash. It's on 18%. In the meantime, let me check what's going on Twitter. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Show that Wi-Fi sign. Show that Wi-Fi sign. Yeah, boy. The only thing that shouldn't be on there is the aircon.
Amawusibuya amanyamba. Amawusibuya amamba.
hayi angazi yo
Plastic. This flash. I think I'm gonna have to do it to check on penalties, so all blocks are turned on. Come on. My things will end. No, getting damaged. Come on. Yeah. Turn it off. Back on. Whoever was gonna would think I'm using